potentially about a new yard, because we've had word that all this complex that we're in has been sold for building. Good morning, another start to a week. Monday, lovely nice sunny day, although I've heard it's meant to be raining Tuesday. But anyway, start to another week here. We're over at Heaton Squash Club, tennis club. You can probably see tennis courts in the distance. Baggy over here, we're just about to replace 30 metres along that stretch there. We're just getting them in now because the access is a bit iffy. Morning. Even Justin's doing a bit this morning, look.
Got me doing hard work.
Jamie's just getting sorted out over there. Not a bad little job, but the access is a bit iffy. But yeah, we've got a couple of schools to do as well this week while the kids are off on holiday. I think we've got one in Bradford and then one over right past Keighley Way somewhere. So it'll be interesting. So I think the lads are hoping to get done for Thursday so they can have, well, it's Good Friday, get done for Thursday. A nice long weekend. I think Baggy's going to Dublin actually at the weekend, but anyway, finding tennis balls galore here, look. I think you'll be finding a few balls today. So as you can see, this old chain link fence is falling down here, and we're just replacing it from this straining post to the wall there, and it's bang on 30 metres, which works out well for us. And we're replacing it with some nice 3 metre high twin wire mesh, which should look good. The only problem, they've only got little gates for access, so we can't get his panels through. So I think he's had a word with the neighbours, the manager here. We should be able to get his panels through there somehow, but we'll get this down first. So yeah, we're still at this Heaton. Just started taking down the old chain link fence. Jamie's just, Baggy's taking their signs off so they can reuse them here, look. And then Jamie's just cutting it down into little pieces there, and then Justin will take it to the scrapyard in his van, gets rid of that mess, and they're ready to install his new fence in here.
Avant, tu voyais que de la merde. Maintenant, au moins, tu vois plus rien.
Good morning, guys. So we're over in Skipton today at Bradley's school. Just before you get into Skipton town centre, 4 metre wide gate to go in and 2 single pedestrian gates to go in as well. I'm going to get all that done today, and probably the hardest bit is getting this out here. Double leaf gate here coming across, so they'll have a lot more room to get through. Single to the left and then a single to the right.
Good morning, another school here, just starting at Aycliffe Lane in Bradford. This is the special needs building here. The bigger school is actually over the road here. Just waiting for the site manager to confirm where we're going. We're just getting sorted out here. We're actually working round the back here. Bit of an interesting one this. Like I say, it's the SEN building, but very interesting. So I don't know if you can see in the background this bank in here. You'll see as I get a bit closer, with all the rains that we had last year and last few months, basically they've had landslides all the way down this hill. They've already got a perimeter fence. In fact, they've got 2 over. I don't know if you can see, loads of them have come over here. Like you can see, they've already got a fence, but they're just worried that one day all that'll come over. We're actually putting another fence, an internal one, sort of on this line here and going up to there, and we're just sort of going across the playground here with a gate in it for them. Very interesting. Yep, all that has had a big landslide. Anyway, we'll keep you updated. We'll get some footage as they're installing and get another one under his belt. And the Easter holidays whacked off, and we'll catch you later. Don't forget to give us a like.
Avant, tu voyais que de la merde. Maintenant, au moins, tu vois plus rien. Avant, tu voyais que de la merde. Maintenant, au moins, tu vois plus rien. Avant, tu voyais que de la merde. Maintenant, au moins, tu vois plus rien.
What a beautiful day it is now. Thursday, feels like a Friday because long bank holiday coming up. Just had to strip off, look. Just had Barnet cut ready for the weekend. Got a day out in Skipton Saturday, which should be fun. But yeah, it's all drying out nice around here now. A few puddles there, but yeah, it's lovely. It's about time we got a bit of sun. Lads, I was just going to go over and see the lads, but I'd forgotten. I've actually got an appointment this afternoon. See potentially about a new yard, because we've had word that all this complex that we're in has been sold for building, but we've had no official word yet, but the rumour mill's gone round that that's what's happened. So I'm just keeping my options open for now. Don't think it'll happen overnight, but yeah, Justin's been out and about collecting some timber. You'll probably see it on van there for the job next week. Nice easy one for lads to come back to. So hopefully I'll put the footage on of them being installed this week at the schools, and if I don't see you again, give us a thumbs up like what we do, and have a great bank holiday. We'll see you again.